Hi guys, I want to give you 6 principles to be truly rich. Okay, 6 principles that are very solid, that I believe in, and will take you to financial success. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into this. Jump into them. They're simple though not easy because of mindset. Okay, so number 1, live below your means. Okay, I got some pushback with this sometimes in forums and stuff, saying that no, I don't want to live below my means, I want to live while I'm alive. What if I die soon? Well, yeah, I understand the YOLO mentality. The thing is, and you might go before, leave this world before getting old. That happens a lot, yeah, and it's happening more nowadays. So, for some strange reason, but let's not get into that now. Okay, you need to live below your means. Doesn't mean you have to live like a beggar, But if you make 100,000 whatever dollars, pesos, whatever you do, and you spend 120, because you're using a credit card, so you're living above your means, so you have nothing left for investing. You're burning the candle on both ends, and you're overspending. You're being irresponsible. Period. Okay. Every month you should have enough money to pay all your bills and invest. Okay, that's living below your means, because when you live below your means and you still have something left for investing, how much I don't know. Minimum 10%. Okay, minimum. If you're aggressive like I am, it can be a 50%, a 70%. Yeah, some months I'm very aggressive. I'm investing a lot because I want to get there sooner. Okay. Principle number 2, you build your income before you build your lifestyle. Okay. Before buying the house, the expensive watch, the bags, yeah, even your house, yeah. Before buying like your dream house or anything like that, you just live humbly and you build sources of income. That's what the rich people do. Instead of buying stuff, they buy assets. What's an asset? An asset is anything that gives you money regularly. Okay, that asset gives you money, and a liability takes money away. So if you buy a beautiful house and you have to pay the construction workers, the paint, the tubes, everything, the taxes for the government, that's a liability. Okay, it's not giving you money, so it's a bad idea. Yeah, it's not an asset. So I'm not telling you say no to luxuries. I'm saying you delay the luxuries. Okay, you buy them later on. First, you use all your money, all your efforts, all your energy, all your time to build assets. Okay, to build something that later on will buy you the luxury house. I'm saying yes to luxury. I'm just saying put it in the proper priority scale. Because if not, you will never have it. Or you'll have it, and after 2 or 3 years, the bank will take it away, like it happens to many rappers out there, like it happens to many people who win the lottery, basketball celebrities. They end up losing all their money because they don't have the correct mindset. They don't have money management skills. So if you have a lot of money but you don't have money management skills and mindset, you end up losing it. So what's the point? Yeah, you want to have it there steady forever to take care of you. Principle number 3, invest all your extra income. Say you have a bonus from your work. Say you have an extra sale from your business because you're selling online and it's a special sale day. You can get some part of that and invest it too. Yeah, just because you got a little more, you have an opportunity, right, to invest it. Or you could, if you're in the wrong mindset, you'll get that money and you're gonna spend it in a party, or you're gonna buy gifts for your loved ones. No, invest it, and then buy the gifts. Depends on the moment of life you're in, no? But if you're comfortable, okay, you can spend some of it, 5-10%, yeah, in gifts, and then invest. I'm telling you this because most people that are out there are not as comfortable as they would like to. Okay, so and it's many times because they don't have the correct, they don't live by these principles. That's it. Live by the principles, and you'll get there for sure. Okay. Work at your job, not at the stock market. I get this from Bo Sanchez's book, The Turtle Always Wins. Work on it. Work on your job and not in the stock market. Meaning, don't try to make be in front of the screen, looking at going up and down and trying to time the market, because at the end of the day, that's a job also, and also it's unpredictable. Okay, even if people tell you they have all the computer programs, they have all the knowledge, those people, they fail a lot also. Okay, so there's no magic wand. They also fail a lot, and your hard-earned money could go down the drain. So just work on your job and work on whatever business you have, and then you invest, quote unquote, passively in the stock market, and let the stock market be your piggy bank, and it will take care of you in your old days when you have no more energy to work and make money. But even in your not so old days, you can retire young by doing this, and then the stock market will take care of your bills. That's the dream. That's the magic. And then keep optimistic on this. These principles I'm talking about are proven. This is a proven system. This works. Okay, live by this, live below your means, invest the rest, and you will get there. You will be truly rich. Okay, so it's what makes the difference between every human wants to get rich. The difference is I'll say 99%. Most of humans don't take action. Some, just a 1%, takes action and stays regularly and lives by these principles and keeps on taking regular action. No, yeah. For example, it's a mindset. Love the rich. Okay, love the rich. Or what's that? I'm so proud of being poor, because whatever, God loves the poor, because everyone hates the rich, because what kind of mindset do you have? Is it helping you get there or not? If you have that kind of mindset that hates on the rich and loves the poor, then unconsciously you're telling yourself to keep on being poor, because that's who God loves, or that's who you identify with, and good people are the poor people. That's not true. There's good people in the rich, there's bad people in the poor. It's and the other way around. It doesn't make, and last, you have to visualize it. Visualize, imagine yourself having the money. The stuff begins in the mind, and then you can find a way, you can find a plan to make it a reality. Like when you build a house, first you imagine it, right? Then you draw it, and then you hire people to execute it, right? Like any other thing. So you have to imagine yourself. Visualizing is a powerful tool to take us to victory. Okay, you imagine yourself, see how it feels, embody it, and then start making a plan, and then execute. Okay. If you trick your mind, trick a little your mind into already thinking you achieved it, you already know how it feels, that will give you extra energy. And whenever you feel a little demotivated, or things are not going, go back to this exercise. I do it every day. I visualize every day where I want to go, all I'm achieving, like if it's happening in real time, and it already gets me smiling in the morning. Yeah, and at the end of the day, I say thank you for the things I achieved. I even journal my visualizations also. I say, okay, I achieved this. Even if it's in future, it's gonna be in the future, but I present it like in the present tense, and it does help me stay on track. It's like auto-hypnosis. It's like reminding me, motivating me, keeping me on track. Because if you're like me, that are a distracted person, it helps to keep on grounding yourself. Oh, talking about grounding myself, that's what I'm doing here in the park. Ground yourself, touch the earth daily. Literally, it helps your immune system. Research about this. That's not the objective of this video. Love and infinity, guys. See ya.